Hello, this is Kenny Belfato at SimTech. Today I'm going to show you our Auto-CIM product. Auto-CIM is going to allow me to just drag and drop a folder and automatically process a job. So let's take a look how that works. I can start up my Auto-CIM program, and this has configuration settings, and basically you have, if you're going to use Inventor or SolidWorks or Auto-CIM, things like that. And I have a folder here where I'm going to drop my files into, and I have all my information for how to import things is in here. And let's take a look at how it works. I'm going to go into Explorer, and I have a folder. That's not it. Here it is. I could just right click and copy this and then put it into my Auto-CIM standard folder and paste. You can paste a whole bunch of different folders in there, and there you go. It's starting Inventor. And this is meant to be run on a separate computer that's just going to do processing like this. And it's all hands off. So at this point, it's going to start up Inventor and open that assembly that's in there and automatically run it through Auto-CIM, and then automatically start automation, and then automatically cut and nest those parts. So it's a lot of automated things. I figured I'd make a video for you like this, but I'd be glad to show you how it works with your own files. But then I want to know what I need your pack and go. So I have your Auto-CIM knowledge drawing and do it files and everything else. So there it's just processed the job, made the individual parts, and I did have edge banding turned on there, so there were some red edges on that model, and it's going to go and do an offset on those edges. There you can see those edges being offset in because of the color that was on them. That's just a feature of Auto-CIM. You could turn on appearance recognition. So that was all of the Inventor files in a folder, and I dragged and dropped the folder in there. Now, the folder name is going to be the name of the assembly that you want it to process. So that's one of the stipulations there, because you could have a bunch of different assemblies in a folder, and it's going to look at the name of the folder to be the name of the assembly to process. And as you see, the rest is automated. It started up Inventor, did the Auto-CIM, made the cut list and the parts, and then that is sucked into Auto-CIM automation. That's now cutting and nesting each of those parts, or whatever your settings are for, if you want to do single parts or nest parts. Excuse me. There was a piece of scrap left over from last time, it looks like. Or it could have used the advanced nesting to do multiple stock size nests too there. And this process is completed. And it'll, you can have it to leave the automation running or not is up to you. But it's ready for you now to drop in another folder and start processing again. So this just sits here waiting for work, and automation can stay open or not. It's one of the settings in here, whether or not to leave that running. You can have it email you information as well. It can email you data. Here, this is telling me if I had any failed files, I could have this process multiple machines at once too. So if you get an Ontrud or Northwood or some other machine later, you can have it do what's called multi-posting and have it post to multiple machines at the same time. Thanks for taking a look.